Indigenous people. Delhi Tripura SAS. Tripura Governor. Tripura Police. Tripura Police. Tripura Police. Our land. Our land. People of death. People of death. Bangladeshis. 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 Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution. Citizenship Amendment Bill. Citizenship Amendment Bill. Bangladeshis. Bangladeshis. What is India? What is India? We want justice. We want justice. Indigenous people. Tripura Police. Tripura Police. Tripura Police. People are dead. People are dead. People are dead. Bangladeshis. Bangladeshis. Bangladesh. Thank you.
Bangladeshi high, 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 high. Bangladeshi high, 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 high. People of them high, 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 high. Bangladeshi go back, go back, go back. Bangladeshi go back, go back, go back. Tripura long live, long live, long live. Don't indigenous people long live, long live, long live. Don't indigenous people long live, long live, long live. Any indigenous people long live, long live. Indigenous people long live! Long live! Long live! Bangladesh! We want justice! 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 Justice! We want justice! Justice! We want justice! Justice! We want justice! Justice! Bangladesh ko hata do! Hata do! Bangladesh ki hata do, hata do, hata do. CM 2016 hata do, hata do, hata do. CM 2006 hata do, hata do, hata do. CM 2006 hata do, hata do, hata do. CM 2016 hata do, hata do, hata do. CM 2016 hata do, hata do, hata do. Bangladesh, go! Bangladesh, go! Big pressure, go! Big pressure, go! Big pressure! Long live! Long live! Big pressure! Long live! Long live! She have reached to the level of Geneva. She have spoken for our people of Tripura too in Geneva. So I would like to thank her for being part of us and strengthening us. Next is I would like to thank for my special friends and as well as closer friends I should say. Brother Beno. We have been in touch with him for the last 3 to 4 years and hopefully for accepting this proposal and be part of this gallery and making us much more successful and colorful as together. Also thank you to brother. And also all the distinguished guests of our Delhi Tripura and delegates who have sacrificed your valuable times and be part of it. Also, I would like to thank you all for being part of here. Now, to discuss all these things, what I want to say is that the poem is very brief. The poem is very brief and very much action. Why I am telling this is because we have a gathering purpose here. We all come here with a purpose. And we have our brief purpose, and our purpose is to protest against the injustice done to our people in our daily day-to life. So, coming to the point, what I want to spare recent passes in Kamanuka, what we have seen is that on 8th of this January, at Madhubari, under Southern Subdivision in West Tripura, the Manka, what has happened there? So, we have clearly seen that the police atrocities and the brutality of police, which is not acceptable at any case and shall not be spared of. This is totally injustice. Actually, that day we remember as the day of ban called by the nation as well as the adjoining TSF against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. The bill itself is disaster to our northeastern indigenous people for very own existence.
Activists who say that these refugees need to be given shelter, who say that these illegal immigrants, these criminals, should be accommodated in northeast India. I say to them, if you have the money, if you have the land, you're more than welcome to sponsor them and take them to your state. But we will not accommodate for them here in northeast India. We have suffered for far too long. We have sacrificed for far too long. We are not going to let our motherland become foreign soil. We are not going to be foreigners in our own land. I do not want to have children, our younger generation, face the sort of discrimination I faced in Bangladesh, looking the way I looked, talking the way I did. I do not want my mother tongue to become a foreign land. As it is, the Bangladeshis that live in the Barak Valley region of Assam, they discriminate the Assamese people quite a lot. To the point that one illegal immigrant, BJP MP, going to the point of threatening the students who peacefully protested against this bill, saying that they would be expelled from the university if they ever so much as dare to go anywhere to protest against this bill. We cannot have that anymore. It's been far too long that we have tolerated this. One more thing I would say, I would ask you all is to network. Network as much as you can. On the international level, the national level, if there are laymen passing by, try to make them understand the sort of atrocities we have faced. The issues we have, not just on the amendment bill, but on a whole. How our rights are being snatched from us. How our land is being snatched from us. How we will become a minority. Because until and unless the laymen know, until and unless the international community knows, there will not be enough of a pressure on the Indian government to ever take our side, to ever work for us. They will continue to neglect us. Because in 1971, the Assam Accord happened and we had accommodated for these illegal immigrants. However, now they're again forcing us to accept this Citizenship Amendment Bill.
Is it not? Yes or no? Yes, it is. And Sinavan Bagai, not only today, you may shoot us, you may kill us, you may give bomb to us, but these boys will not stop. যে পর্যন্ত সিনাওয়ালি খরচে বড় কোথাও কোনায় আন্তর্জাতিক পর্যন্ত চিনি ও খরাং stop খাইনানি রুয়া, and that is our promise to Indian government. We undisputedly have supported the BJP government in the year of 2018, having said that they'll take care of our people in the state of Tripura. But within 1 year, they have shown us that they are not having solicitude to the people of Tripura. Within 1 year, they brought me Kulu careless करे, Kulu दुख करे, सिर्फ कमाई पाल खान्तु, सिर्फ कमर पाल खान्तु, अब बड़ी Kulu intention करे, अमन बागे सिर्फ दुख नांगे, not only here in Tripura, not only here in Delhi, but with anti-Nordic people, we are demanding to repeal the bill of Citizenship Amendment Bill and we strongly condemn, we strongly defy, we reluctant the bill which got passed in Lok Sabha, it should not get passed to the Parliament of India in the upper house of Rajya Sabha, and we provoke to those people, those have suited to the people of among us, and we invoke and pray to every citizen of India to support in our side. Thank you very much.
Ani mung Ronald Burma, ang Tripura Students Forum Delhini kaisa member no, jeng tini oro hai kutung hai ka Oboni reason to jotono saimano tamongkha thanai o koekdin sekang chini Tripura chini brothers rok kokjakmani borok protest kaina thangai citizenship amendment bill no tai bungni pura police Tripura police hoje open fire mani
Bangladesh
bhai injured tha we can see the casualties so protest kaina we already know what has been done to our people, the injustice. Bora ekjon students abon bari chungine protest khabega o protest bo sangam sake faith kri kha government upore jodio protest tabuk Tripura khangge sangsamia Chini upore guli kokjamang khamote amo high situation but sangfrili tabuk jantar mantar ai sobai ga oro Delhi wa protest khana bagai I'll talk about two things. First, mass firing kha Tripura police hoite Chini boni upore amon pore second jinis khanai citizenship amendment bill ni upore first of all Tripura wo je incident khamno tei bele chungkha khamjak nukha chojona student upore guli nangkha borok tabo GDO ko tinjak masake Kolkata ho ang thangai personally nai ka borok nukha jine parani borok kise donation khaimangka borok nurukha but aj bullet wounds amo healing la we Triprasas we will revolt we will fight back till our last breath our struggle will end when our life will end when our breath will end we will fight till there is trace of life in our body till our soul burns down till our soul escapes this earth secondly ang sanamo jungo jotono saimano incident everyone knows what went wrong what happened in Tripura I'm not against the community of Bengalis I'm just against the illegal immigrants who influx to our state every now and then every day throughout all these years so I've got many brothers I'm from Holy Cross myself but that doesn't matter what is wrong what is right all I care is about my community all I care about is my Tripura brothers so I know there is fire beneath every Tripura but we can't do anything right now so what we must do we must get prepared for what is coming we must raise our voice we must be together and secondarily the citizenship amendment bill when Rajnath Singh proposed the citizenship amendment bill when he filed the citizenship amendment bill he was questioned by the Lok Sabha TV and he said there will be minor problems everywhere and they call us like minor there will be minor issues and I want to question him right now these minor issues led to the police firing on armless protesters of the amendment bill I think so this is our human right as far as I read we have the right to protest peacefully without arms so I want to say that your what you call the minor problems led to 6 casualties right now penetrated body with bullet and I don't know whether you care about Indians first or the immigrants first if the vote bank is all you want then we Indians will not vote in the coming days and you might get votes only from the Bangladeshis when we stay united I believe we all Triprasas can put up a stand and we can oppose we will not let the citizenship amendment bill pass and even if it is passed it must be quashed by the Supreme Court we believe in the Supreme Court because that is the ultimate Supreme Court provides the ultimate justice and it takes care of our people that's all for now that's all to say thank you
Rang Muslim hakora sibuk happy maya happy bobole happy finger singa ka kang like dusko bosto bhai maya hey lai lai Tripura hano yak paya lai na yak paya lai na
Ini Delhi Khorang. Thanai 8 January was incident manotai kha khamai singkini Delhi tongai pori tongai bachagina tongai ki prasaro singkini oro compelling kha phai protest khana mage tamani himba 8 January was nukzakha baike Chini na borok Chini man thanya san tani thangai Bunido Tabai, Bunido Hanokare, Chini own government, Chini state government by South of Kajamani. Nuka by peaceful protester, the students, youth of Zarap Haye or the citizenship amendment bill, no Rosadi, Hine, but a protest Kaitamozora, Tripura government, authority by Tripura police, that TSR Jawan. Direct ball of shootout kaya. On the Chini no Khorang dol bini khaklabu na huli nangka. Go make down one among sako. Tamani himba almost na kashe reality funugo. Chini current state sang bumpy ha Chini soliton. Chini hawo se sang Chini man thai sanani thangtani se sang dike we by shot of the pedong su. Ke amon of front tongo sang bozaga thang solike. Ini saya alka Northeast states ni Manipur, Meghalaya, ada kebangga Northeast states ni borok, sehingga ini for example ni show, naji ini Tripura ni Tripura salo, bos jaga tang soi ke, bong ni hapo, omo se bos kiri ke, ini seng microscopic minority, angin tangka, sabam mana danya nai, omo sengen yang kaya, kau bos hana musungo. Chini borok singma sisa sinai omo Chini pai thakni inko seng dikhe mang sadopi to khayo tong ke Chini kamana ni zora sampaka omo seng Khorang thansa ke sing mang sinai tai omo shimia ang tai Tripura ni phatoro pori tong nei ro ini seng Delhi khagyang ke haike no tai alka kubunni city rogo Bangalore Mumbai Dehradun Rogobo, ampi hageno protest kaya bagian koyo. Tamu hingga senggulan sama no Tripura kasa kita alkian soli dongo. Punu kishu, hageno punu kishu kasa protesting hageno tamu mobile internet service bondo kaya nani. Tamu funu bache Chini right to free speech, Chini right to expression curtail kayo. Sengomoni against Khorang mati shanai. Gabagina koyo ta alka jodo student organization rongno, Chini Tripura students rongno, hatara pori tone rongno. Hadi Khorang baksa ke senjotono all the ruthless attack khajangmani youth protesters peaceful protesters Chini borok rongno amdi khajangmani sengoma Khorang khanja ke senti shalai aw sengmo saimano justice mana ni asik kalaya kedugma time mo nangnai hakuno ini ni a small step by seng forward ke thanai it's an khat here khaye seng Chini yo protesters agunta nangai asungna hanai
Khurungka jeng Chini oro Delhi jantar mandro phai jeng protest khalemani salang kha jeng Chini phai protest khaipeka citizens amendment bill 2016 je tabo recently lok sabha pass mani abo busai chayang to phachin boro rong bagai chin boro to phachin Tripura sado phatibagai o bill jeng agin thike stenjo to chaiman to jeng bahai ke je tongnai Bangladesh ro bachi busai tor chal khajage agin thike chin boro no khan rijai yawo right rijai yawo bong ni achai thang bong ni khan bong ni right bong ni saman bijai yawo je busai tor chal khajage phaika or citizens bill amendment bill taisa hai lagun thai ka kai chin orot te obusakai hamla kai torture khaja gai chen chamaja wa lai no chin ni ni phan kari khe chno te khorang kari khe khai na gai tabu pun phalo se chin hani phan che kari phan ni ni hawo pan khani ba sa oi protest khayan 8 तारिख जनवरी 2019 चिनी बररक आसाका पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट खेले तंगलाई मासे आसाकाइनो आसाकाइनो प्रोटेस्ट खेले तंगलाई मासे आम चिनो चुं बक्सा पार्टी सरो बाय हाइनो फ्री फायरिंग खरि जका विदाउट एनी रीजन कुनो वेपन बचन थे जका कुना अमति हामया का चिंके हमनो फाइट बैक खाइमा गया बट चिं पीसफुली प्रोटेस्ट खेले तंगमा चिनी चायनो तो बिकॉज चिनी राइट तो चिनी राइट चिं ओ इंडिया ओ हावा से फेगा चिनी राइट तो चिनी हामया चिं cost sana bagai cindi ko sana bagai awan bagai point jeng tabu kai opportunity ka ya ni hawa tongai minority tongai tabu kangkai tabu cini hawa jeng tong kan jeng Tripura hinta kan jeng ni jise jeng majority liya tab buise jeng no rule kai tong buise jeng no ko right na de liya jeng bui thani se cini chan ko chan nan cin man thai jeng bui thani ma sana na jeng asakai diprai unja kha takai jeng abuno jeng bukha kham lai jeng tini ora do no delio je tong nai jeng asapan jora mangkha belai se tong thangwa hai te abo tini khana rogo bo jeng je proban kai chungwa na ma hai jeng Delhi tong nai na jespan Tripura phata tong nai bakhau kai chu kiri ma wa na ma tini jeng sok so mai Delhi jeng ang ko ma ki khayang lai chi ni chai ti bu chi ba bha song save de tong na save de ya bu bum di ka batha ja chi nam no because ko lo tabuk chi ni victim ni kai sang ko relative chu na khama ni je ambulance ko de attack khai ja chi ko da pai ye sa chi police rok pai ka abo bol level jara chu na chi kon ri por ta khai asap easily chu na powerful ngai ko sang sang no por chu na sa kai deprive ko chu na sa kai powerless ni chu na sa attack khai man kha je ta pa ko reason ni na abo no belan dukh nang chi ni ora chu je ko thu lai lai sa chi delio ni rasa tong nai ro chakri khane thong student thong joto no je okra chakra cherai khalai joto no chi ni ko lai ora protest kharia ta ang joto no spawna mu chuwa an je rasa an ko ta ko joto na an ta ko phayam ani okra chakra rong no je tabu tora phaika hindi jin tabu yak rakhirom lai nai baki north eastern brothers and sisters ro bai joto jin tabu north east state ek khai tabu yak rom lai jin joto step na lai nai check ke wo chi ni border na tabu ke bi
Ini sini oh Delhini jantar mantar ro seng rally tai sini khad gumano punukna ni bagai Indian government no punukna ni bagai sini oro putum laikya mula ang sana ani sini mong kai James Dibarma ang present Young Tripura Association ni national coordinators tai sini oh jaga the main issue tangi sing jantar mantar ro অনেক কিলোমিটার হাসল ত্রিপুরা হাই স্টেট দেলিও হাই প্রটেস্ট এবা রেলি খাইনানি না খামাকাই দুটা ডিমান্ড দङ কাইসা ডিমান্ড কাই সিটিজেনশিপ অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট বিল অ্যাক্ট 2016 नो से बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट लेड बाय एनडीए थानाय জানুয়ারি 8 तारिख 2019 पास खलाइका ताई बरक ताबुक 2019 ni bisingono within this couple of months borok rajya sabha pass khainani bagai chaito gui tongo o chaito bukno selang mujano ko condemn khayo defy khayo tamni inke saimano judino citizenship amendment bill act pass kangkai northeast especially Tripura high state the autochthonous people, the son of the soil, the indigenous people, the Tripura buku bara, Hanai 2000 boshor ni like Khorang tongwi tongnai, bosbas khai borok ni existence tongla, borok extinction ungnai, tai aboni responsible, tai superintendent abo Indian government no ungnai. Tai kaisa khadumani kok khangkai, all citizenship amendment bill no kasunani bagai 8 January 2019 no sini Tripura sa jakne boshong sini autochthonous people of Tripura, son of the soil of Tripura, indigenous people of Tripura ro protest khlaikya thangna no musung jakmani bagai existence ni bagai ya like khaduman bisingtei apuru Tripura government ni bisingtei borong ni sakawo hamla khlaijaka shoot khlaijaka a shoot klaijakman bisingo 6 jon sini khazani takuk song je borok sini Tripura sani bisingni sini takuk song borok haklabo buli nangjak mani bo kabang borok nor bugui makna plai ki dukkong nani ko judi no Tripura government a rally no tuyoi a protest no tuyoi asing no riot angja khangkai borok ni yago kabang process tong jeta naki parliamentary democratic way ti borok langnani bagai suddenly broke straight away vote khainani it's not parliamentary or kuno constitution about right krai it violates IPC 141 sections no pano se violate khai kalangkha tamni kai judino reopen khangkai borok hoito water cannon use khaimano tear gas use khaimano lathi charge khaimano incidents abobo judino as a protester ro clashing khainani chesta khlaikha hangkai se kintu जों like saimano video tongo evidence tongo kebo aroni bising the protest khai tongnai rok ni jago kuno gan khrei kuno lataliti khrei जों peaceful babe rally khai tongmani Tripura government borok ni uporo amla khlaikha tai kaisa kok abon sei slaipan te dukku nangjane kok kai obo je buru a protester ro kokjak mani pore bongni langmano ban sirinani bagai hospital thami tongbru lama ka sui ambulance no ka sui borok ottachar khlaikha bukha khairo gekare abo blake dukku nangmani kok seleng ma sincha kok biplop dev chief minister je present tongnai bono जों blake seleng janugo because जों undisputedly 2018 je buru BJP government ro center ro tongo जों Chini state of borok no जों tubuka omo wan subino je borok Chini state of government form khai Chini tiprasani bagai kaham klayene samung klayene kintu tini ek bosor kai Chini sekangno borok clear babe funugui rekha je borok sungno naikol nani bagai kuno careness kre kuno solicitude kre kuno wari kre abon bagai joto Tripura rok no umtu bo je kuno political party ni umtu je kuno bo student organization ni umtu je kuno bo kaise social organization ni sung joto no ya by ya grom layman bisingte o citizenship amendment bill no ka sunani bagai nung ang noga asugui tonya kare sung sini sakno sacrifice khlainani like dorkar tini sung right here at jantar montoro sung obon start khaika sung promise khayo o start khaimani जों अबनो कुनु दिनो बुथाक रिया जै पर्यन्त सिनि बिसिङो जों सानमो जों त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट न कक्थु इन्डियान गभर्नमेन्ट सिनु बर कबदि बम रेदि बुथारदि हाइपानो जों जै पर्यन्त खरच त्रिपुरा सा गोथां दंनाय अ चबानो जों जारि खालाय तलांनाय जों कुनु दिनो उक्लक उसुलया उक्लक उसुलनानि बागै जों अ जागा प्रोटेस्ट खालायनानि बथायना ताइ जों सावो इन्डियान गभर्नमेन्ट जुदि न जोङो नानो नायकल उंकाय बोथांनार मुसुं उंकाय borok dati papa decision naman bisingte o citizenship amendment bill no repeal khaina ni lagi am